In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to export your products and services from Xero. Exporting your products and services list is a great way to back up your data, share it with your team, or analyze it outside of Xero. I'll walk you through the process from start to finish, explain what each choice means, and give you a few helpful tips so everything goes smoothly. First, log into Xero using your usual credentials. If your organization has multiple Xero entities, make sure you're in the correct one before you continue. It also helps to confirm you have the right permissions to view and export products and services. Once you're in, click Sales. You'll find it in the main navigation bar. This takes you to the area where Xero groups sales-related tools and lists so you can manage what you sell. Next, select Products and Services. This opens the full catalog of items you've set up, including their names, item codes, descriptions, prices, and tax details. Give the page a moment to load if you have a large list. Now, click Export. The Export option is typically near the top of the page. It triggers a small menu that lets you choose the file format for your export. From the drop-down menu, select CSV or PDF. Choose CSV if you plan to filter, sort, or edit the data in a spreadsheet tool like Excel, Google Sheets, or Numbers. CSV is ideal for deeper analysis or for importing into other systems. Choose PDF if you want a fixed, easy-to-share snapshot that's perfect for printing or quick reference. Pick the format that best fits how you plan to use the data. After you make your selection, wait for Xero to generate the export file. The time this takes can vary depending on how many items are in your list. If it's taking a bit, just let it run. Interrupting the process can cause delays. When the file is ready, download the exported file. Your browser may save it automatically to your Downloads folder, or it may prompt you to choose a location. If a pop-up blocker interferes, allow the download and try again. Open the CSV or PDF file on your computer. For CSV, open it in your preferred spreadsheet application. For PDF, use your usual PDF viewer. Finally, review the exported products and services list. Scan for item codes, names, descriptions, prices, and tax rates to ensure everything looks accurate. If something seems off, you can go back into Xero to make updates and export again for a clean copy. That's it. You've successfully exported your products and services from Xero.